Let's learn addition and have fun. Count, add, and shine. What is 2 plus 3? The answer is 5. Great counting. What is 1 plus 4? The answer is 5. Nice work. What is 5 plus 2? The answer is 7. Awesome job! What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. Super math skills. What is 4 plus 1? The answer is 5. You're doing great. What is 6 plus 2? The answer is 8. Fantastic. What is 7 plus 1? The answer is 8. Keep it up. What is 2 plus 6? The answer is 8. Brilliant. What is 5 plus 4? The answer is 9. Well done. What is 3 plus 5? The answer is 8. You are amazing. What is 1 plus 7? The answer is 8. Nice thinking. What is 4 plus 4? The answer is 8. Double 4 makes 8. What is 2 plus 5? The answer is 7. Great job. What is 6 plus 3? The answer is 9. You're so smart. What is 8 plus 1? The answer is 9. Keep learning. What is 7 plus 2? The answer is 9. Fantastic work. What is 9 plus 0? The answer is 9. 0 changes nothing. What is 0 plus 6? The answer is 6. Easy peasy. What is 3 plus 6? The answer is 9. High five. What is 5 plus 3? The answer is 8. Great counting. What is 4 plus 5? The answer is 9. Superstar. What is 2 plus 7? The answer is 9. Keep going. What is 6 plus 4? The answer is 10. You did it. What is 1 plus 8? The answer is 9. Wonderful. What is 3 plus 4? The answer is 7. Nice job. What is 7 plus 3? The answer is 10. 10 is a big number. What is 8 plus 2? The answer is 10. Perfect. What is 9 plus 1? The answer is 10. Awesome work. What is 4 plus 3? The answer is 7. Keep practicing. What is 2 plus 8? The answer is 10. Fantastic counting. What is 5 plus 5? The answer is 10. 5 and 5 make 10. What is 6 plus 1? The answer is 7. You're doing great. What is 3 plus 7? The answer is 10. Amazing job. What is 8 plus 0? The answer is 8. 0 doesn't change it. What is 0 plus 9? The answer is 9. So easy. What is 2 plus 4? The answer is 6. Nice and quick. What is 1 plus 6? The answer is 7. Well done. What is 4 plus 6? The answer is 10. Great math. What is 5 plus 1? The answer is 6. Super work. What is 7 plus 0? The answer is 7. 0 keeps it the same. What is 3 plus 2? The answer is 5. You got it. What is 6 plus 0? The answer is 6. Easy. What is 1 plus 9? The answer is 10. Excellent. What is 2 plus 9? The answer is 11. Big number. What is 8 plus 3? The answer is 11. Fantastic job.